Number 2。今日咧嚟個裝修師傅嚟視察呢一個樓盤，係我哋一個客人嘅樓盤。咁咧就嚟做裝修 ，this way。咁啊，個個咧大家都好喜歡呢個樓盤㗎啦。I think this OK。唔知大家記唔記得呢個海景咧？咁啊，係無敵海景嘅樓。We must take out the whole kitchen.
Okay.
I don't know what you think. Do we take off the tiles or not?
You will put another?
Yes, change the tiles. We could do what I did for my flat.
Yeah.
Which
you
is
put off every on the top?
Yes.
Or only to...
We can have different price or the same price.
No, the same, no. Because if you put on this mark,
Yeah.
You don't need to turn off. You can put
On top, yeah.
On top. And they stop here, it's okay. If you put to top, you need to take that to plane.
Yep.
And
I would imagine this side, no need for tiles.
okay,
I think
we can
just
do the same way
to my
house.
yeah.
House, to put
Yeah.
the
Just wall. Yes.
Plywood
Yes.
and paint.
And I asked my client, see she's okay with this. But definitely this needs to take out. The kitchen, all this need to take out. Do we remove or put on top? That's the question.
The new
The new tiles or not?
the tiles.
Yeah,
I
definitely.
think you don't need to turn off.
Okay,
It's
okay.
more expensive,
Yes.
and I think it's not necessary.
Not necessary. You just put on top.
Yeah.
And you know kitchen cabinet people to make the cabinets, right? We know you know a company do this.
Yeah, I can.
Recommend, yeah. Okay, that's fine.
But I need to know what exactly.
They want.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, I understand. Okay. This is something basic.
Okay. And the pipes. The pipes.
New, yeah.
New pipes. Okay.
And this is it's okay with electric. Electric stove. Electric fire.
Yeah.
And hot water machine. You need hot water machine as well. New hot water.
Yeah, but the gas or the electrical?
This is gas.
This is gas. You can put here on
Yeah.
electrical. It's much smaller.
Much smaller, yeah. I agree. Something like a converter. You know, in my house it's a big tank. We don't want a big tank, small one. So the hot water always stays hot.
But one more smaller.
Yeah.
The 15 liters.
Yeah.
15 liters is more smaller, but only one person can.
No, not like that. Well, the one that always can have hot water. That is gas, is it?
This is gas. Gas is okay.
Oh, I
It's
see. Always hot. I understand. So, okay.
It's always hot.
But electric,
Electric, no.
not like this. Because it's one person shower and finished. And then you...
15 liters, one person is.
I understand. Okay. So, yeah, it's best to be gas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The edifice don't have pipes of gas.
I think so.
Here, inside, don't have. It's the bottle.
Oh, no, we don't want bottle. No. Yeah, gas. Yeah, that is gas. Yeah, that is gas. To keep is...
In my opinion,
keep.
this is horrible.
It's a what?
I don't like.
No.
This is my opinion.
It's a lot of work. Do we keep or not?
This. If you keep that, it's more
cheaper.
More
Can you give me a price to get rid of this? How much? You know, a separate price on top, like a separate thing. How much is it to get rid of this?
Okay.
Then we see to have or not to have.
Yeah.
We definitely need new wiring. All of this new, new electric. So because this is old, and I don't know how old this wire. How old is this? You know?
This is
Old.
maybe 30, 40.
40 years. We need to change. We need to change all of this socket, and then all of that,
But
the channel.
maybe we need to change some parts of the electrical
Wiring, yeah.
yeah. Not these
But-
two, but the
But no, look, all of this, no? You need to change all of that. No?
But
Because
this,
then you must break here. And this.
But this is false. Don't have the line of the I would say.
It's advisable to change, no? 即係佢話佢 this is 呢啲電線咧啲舊 flat 咧係冇呢個所謂嘅 ground line 咯。佢話最好咧就係要改咗佢，因為佢係依家係全部都有啲 ground line 嘅，咁就最好都改嗰個電掣，咁咪會跳掣。If that's the case, all the electric need to be changed. Look, all of this, there's so many sockets. Yeah. So the bathrooms, it needs to be new, completely new. So all the wiring, new bathroom, all the water pipes.
Water pipe.
Yeah.
You won't change the
Here, yes, I think so. 個地板都要換㗎啦，係咪？ You need to change it. If you're changing the hallway, you need to change this.
No.
No. Yes or no?
This is the best floor in the house.
You keep it. Yeah. Okay. You keep.
This is nice
It's
floor.
nice floor. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we keep this nice floor. This is okay. This is perfect.
Yeah.
But we need to change the lighting. Look. Sorry.
Yeah.
This. It's all the way down there. Up to here.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is for.
This is over there. The lights over
Oh, outside, for the light outside. Oh, okay, so it needs to be changed.
Yeah.
All this, because if it's not safe, we want it to be safe.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
And you
even, yeah,
want
the
to
ceiling,
You want to put the ground line?
yes,
Okay.
and the new water pipe. You can smell the water. I can smell the water. There's something wrong with the water.
Because it's close
To the sea.
to many times.
Yeah.
Stay?
Pick out everything new bathtub.
Bathtub?
No.
Or-
I don't know. I have to ask. But she doesn't want the bidet.
Yeah, okay.
She wants the shower.
Shower, yeah.
Yeah. That's for sure. And
Yeah.
then this one as well. No bidet.
Yeah.
But I will ask. Yeah, I need to ask. Is it all the way up to the ceiling or midway through?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. But yes. 我哋啲水喉咧喺呢度嚟嘅，去到個廁所度，咁咧就將會轉新嘅喉嚇。咁如果新嘅喉咧就要拆晒呢度啲瓷磚。咁如果拆咗呢度瓷磚咧，咁我哋嘅客廳都要拆個瓷磚啦。咁呢啲電線咧係舊噶嘛，成40年都未換。咁呢度有啲咁樣嘅花式嘅 tile 咧，要全部一係就剝爛佢，一係咧就再上面整個plastic board 上去。但係咧呢啲電線一定要換噶啦。咁所以成間房咧呢啲tiles 呢啲瓷磚咧都要改噶啦。咁咧我哋個屋主咧有個 plan 咧就係成個整佢 open plan 就幫打通佢。咁喺呢一個呢一個客廳打通佢個廚房，咁就變成一個好大嘅 食用嘅地方 to remove that pillar.
Yeah.
This is the support, no?
This
Yeah.
you can.
But from here
Yeah.
to there,
To here.
yeah.
This is a pillar. The pillar.
Yeah. So you have that support bit,
Yeah.
but underneath everything remove. Yeah. Okay, I agree. But you keep this.
Yeah.
You keep this wall corner. Yeah.
This I don't know. I
Is-
think this is not a pillar, but only when we.
You look into it,
Yeah.
but it could be possible. It's the wires, electric wires in underneath. No.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
is normal, like to have wires up on the top and then drag it
Yeah.
down
But the one
Yeah.
we can remove and put another.
in another place.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's true. Because we remove, you don't have this anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, you possibly have the socket there in the corner. But I think she might want an island.
Okay.
An island here.
We can put the electrical.
In here.
Yeah.
如果擺一個 island 喺呢度，入邊可以有 socket，咁可以煮嘢食。
You do one flower.
Yeah.
You do two, three, four, two,
You have to do 3 yeah, because this room is like this.
This-
做咗一間房就要做另一個，我哋要將佢全部sand it down and then we polish the floor. Yeah, I think it's important for it to look good. So 3 rooms need to be redone, yeah. Okay. Yeah, you might as well.
Number two, for me, is not necessary. But if you do that, you do.
Yeah, you do 1, you have to do 3. And also the window, like this 呢啲窗咧，因為已經好舊㗎啦，咁我哋可能個窗咧嗰個係keep 住啦，但係呢個咧已經係連嗰個布都冇咗，呢度係非常之普遍嘅葡萄牙嘅窗嚟嘅，咁咧係用一條簾咧一個布嘅，入邊有個 system 咁樣管住嘅。咁我哋會轉咗呢嚿嘢咯，同埋改晒呢個shutter，因為要真係新咯，如果唔係咧會遲啲會成個跌咗落嚟啊，或者爛嘅。呢個海景真係無敵啊！見唔見至愛嘅海景啊？從嗰邊遠處仲睇到。Remove the wall, yeah. Do we have just one opening? Then you have a really big opening, don't you?
Yeah. I think you can remove the doors. You don't
Yes.
need doors in the kitchen and this open space. And remove the doors and stay open. Over there.
Really big opening.
Yeah.
And this bit, you keep this bit. You keep this wall.
I think it's better.
Yeah, you keep the wall and you have what, a big hole here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Over there.
Okay, yeah, that could be, yeah. That's possible.
It's more lights to open.
Yeah, that's more light. Yeah, that's fair enough, yeah. And she wants an island
Yeah.
to put in the middle here. Island here. So your electric can go there. That
Yeah.
makes sense, yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah, fine.